making little monkey noises. Oh. Oh, we're supposed to take this into the other room. Okay, hold up. Leave it right here. Can we get out? I guess. Wait, what if we...
Oh, wait.
We're missing scrolls. We're missing scrolls. We're missing statues. But you know, Japanese typically skip the number 4 because they view it as a bad omen. Maybe we press that button the number of times. No. No. Oh my god, I've been sneezing so...
Bless you.